To another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know how you can see your card number on Capital One app. So in order to see your card number on Capital One app, you just have to follow this step. First of all, you have to go and log into your Capital One app. When you're logged into your Capital One account, that's going to take you to the home page. So from the home page, what you have to do is select the account associated with your debit card. Once you do that, on the main page or on the main account page, you could see the last four digits of your debit card number displayed prominently. Now, you could also generate a temporary virtual card number by following this step. That is, you could go to the account associated with your debit card once again, look for a virtual card option. It might be under more options or a similar menu. You can then click on get a number to generate the temporary virtual card number for online or contactless payment. And this virtual number will have a different card number, but it is linked to your debit card. However, you will not be able to see the full number or the full debit card number. For that, you need to have saved it in some other place. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.